Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1 and this is your news of the day. China is working to secure a military base in the Atlantic Ocean. This will be located in Equatorial Guinea. This will give them a clear pathway to the east coast. Also in Nigeria, 12 soldiers and 8 soldiers were injured in an attack by a terrorist group that has affiliations with Al-Qaeda. Also in that country, there was an additional attack and 69 people were killed. Staying in the country of Nigeria, they just suffered a gold mine collapse, killing 18 people, injuring 7, and many more could be buried alive in the mine shaft. Moving over to the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is very important globally and strategically for us. Russia has been doing a lot of military movements up there, and they really control the Arctic because Russia has over 40 icebreakers. We have 2. One is a medium duty and one is a heavy duty. The heavy duty is coming to the end of its life, and we have another one being built. It is the Polar Security Cutter. It was supposed to be ready for us for 2024, but it was just moved back to not being ready till 2025. Strategically, this is a very worrying for the U.S. military in case there's a conflict up there. Also, Bob Dole. We know him as a World War II veteran, a 3-time president candidate, a senator. He passed away at the age of 98. He was wounded in Italy at the age of 21, trying to rescue his radio man that was shot. He was trying to move him out of the way of more machine gun fire when he was shot and injured. He took over 3 years to recover from these injuries. He passed away at 98 years of old. Starting December 1st, all schools in Chicago are required to post signs that allow anyone to pick their bathroom of choice. So this has already occurred. I've seen the signs myself. So a boy can use whatever bathroom they want and a girl can use whatever bathroom they want. Also, President Biden is considering a U.S. diplomatic boycott in February over the Chinese human rights violation, and this will affect the Olympic Games in China. Australia is also considering this diplomatic boycott. What this means is athletes can still participate in the games, but no government officials. Indonesia had a volcano eruption. 22 people were killed and 27 people are missing. 56% of the 18 to 25-year-old young adults in the United States are either overweight or obese. If you're an unjabbed Italian, and you do not have a super green health pass, more restrictions are coming. No indoor restaurants, theaters, museums. You have to be completely jabbed or prove you recently recovered from the virus. Closer to home, New Brunswick, Canada. This is a province in Canada. The grocery stores now are enforcing if you're not fully vaccinated, you cannot come in and buy food. So no jab, no food. The Norwegian cruise ship that left in the end of November on a cruise has 17 positive cases. This was a fully vaccinated crew and passenger. 17 positive cases. And finally, the Food and Drug Administration says they have a shortage over 100 drugs, and these are dangerously in short supply. They also said that 80% of pharmaceutical ingredients are manufactured outside the United States. Thanks for watching the news.